So I found out, came from the police station, went up there. I let them know, they said what they said that I was put in it and stuff like that. Um, but then I forgot to ask him what time was the call placed. I asked him what was the exact time that the call was placed. He told me the call was placed at 1:25 p.m. I know where I was at. So when I think the old dude across the street, I think he's home. I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna ask him if he can pull up his Ring doorbell footage between 1:20 and 1:30. That's gonna show where I was at, and that's gonna show what I was doing, cause he got a Ring doorbell cam.